na si Liza upang maging iyong asawa, mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinakda ng banal na matrimonyo? Ikaw naman, Liza, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaking ito na si Jasper upang maging iyong asawa, mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinakda ng banal na matrimonyo?
Opo ba?
You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right. I swear that I'll stay with you. I wanna stay with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Amin pong itinatalaga ang gawain namin ito sa inyong trono ng biyaya, ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Jasper at Liza. Pagpalain niyo po ang lahat ng ating gagawin sa kasalan ito at dalangin namin na kayo, Panginoon, ang manguna sa bawat parte ng gawain ito at kayo lamang ang maitaas sa aming mga buhay habang ang kasalan ito nagpapatuloy.
Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that
The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. Jasper Joy and Liza Jane, harapin ang kongregasyon. Okay, so mga kapatid at mga kaibigan, buong karangalan kong ipinapakilala sa inyong lahat ang bagong kasal na sina Mr. Jasper Joy and Mrs. Liza Jane Mabulay. So, Jasper Joy, ang pinakihalihintay ng lahat, you may now kiss your bride.
all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
So, palapakan mo natin ang mag-asawa. Yan po, nagtatapos ang ating seremonya sa
Wanna
ganitong
be
ganda sa
free
kanya.
of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop.
Ngayon, kasal na kayo. Magmahalan kayong dalawa. Walang mawawala sa atin. Atin ang bayang banal. Pag nasa loob tayo ng iglesia ni Cristo, tandaan ninyo, lahat tayo magmamahalan tayong lahat. Na maraming salamat. Sana maging maligaya kayong dalawa at maging maayos ang inyong buhay.
Yeah.